Body Solutions Garage.
This 2014 Range Rover SE was brought to Body Solutions Garage for three things: an Android entertainment system upgrade, Euro package, and new steering upgrade. As part of our Euro package, the process included full uncoupling and body preparation. That covered body filler application, dry sanding, spray of primer, pressure washing, taping, oven baked spray, matte black spray, rim restoration, and coupling. We also carried out exclusive detailing, which included floor mat cleaning, back cleaning, dashboard treatment, vent cleaning, tire shine, and final pressure wash. Delivered with zero error, luxury, perfected only at Body Solutions Garage.
Enjoy your ride.